Hi, good morning. I am very excited to be here today. My name is Jennifer C. Bimbo, and I've been a preschool teacher in Singapore for almost 7 years. I would describe myself as a passionate, energetic, kind, and a creative teacher. As an educator, I make sure that I think of different kinds of activities that will cater different kinds of children. I also think that having a nurturing, fun, engaging, and a safe environment will give the child the experience to explore their curiosity and to build their confidence. I am a team player and I build a strong relationship towards my colleagues and to the parents in order to communicate the different progress of each child. I am very enthusiastic and very excited to be part of your center to share my experiences and talents. Once again, I am Jennifer C. Bimbo. Have a great day ahead. Bye-bye.